Hey class, so I was sitting here and I was thinking, they need more information than what I gave them on Monday. So I'm going to make a couple of little videos here. They're not going to be professional. Not one of the videos is going to go viral, but I thought it might help you. Um, so let's start out with this Common Core State Standards for Mathematics assignment. And if we look over here, your very first assignment is to understand the standards for mathematical practice. That's those right there. And you're going to write a two-sentence summary for each of the standards, and there's 8 of them. So you're going to have 16 sentences, and it's due January 17th. Now, some of you might be freaking out because I'm giving you a lot of work, and I say, we just get into it right away. Let me just show you how this is going to work so that you know how to do it, and it'll make your life a little easier. So I have searched the standards, and if you see here, I just searched CCSSM, and this is what comes up first. And for your first assignment, you're going to click right here, Standards for Mathematical Practice, and here they are. And you can read through it. Notice here's the first one: make sense of problems and persevere in solving them. So you're going to read this paragraph and you're going to be able to summarize it in 2 sentences. Okay. Then your next one is reason abstractly and quantitatively. You're going to read this paragraph and summarize it in 2 sentences. And the reason I'm having you do this is because when you go interview, it is always great to be able to say, well, the standards for mathematical practice say this, and if you have your 2 sentences memorized, you're set, and the principal will be none the wiser. So this is what you're going to do. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 of them. So for each one, you're going to have 2 sentences that summarize this paragraph. So if I were doing my homework today, I would type up make sense of problems and persevering in solving them. And then I would summarize this paragraph somehow. And that's up to you. Then once you're done with that, you're going to come back and you're going to submit it here to the CCSSM Standards for Mathematical Practice. That's where you're going to submit that assignment. Okay, hopefully that helps you for that assignment, and hopefully these other videos will help you too. Signing off.